is number 5, 2012 Stallion of the Year Trophy Race. And the race is on. It's a jump start beginning for Coterminus from the outside. And running by the rally is Bruno's Cat. Bruno's Cat, Coterminus, Silver Champ. Moving up is Diamond Dane. Alongside Never Say Goodbye, Don Guro. Rushing up Chichi's Eyes and entry number 6, Len Len is running at the tail of the field. Bruno's Cat by an egg. Diamond Dane is on the outside. The favorite Coterminus is racing in third from the outside, running by the Silver Champ, and rushing up is Never Say Goodbye. Another far turn, Diamond Dane, Bruno's Cat, Coterminus racing on the outside and still moving up. Never Say Goodbye is running in fourth. Coterminus moving up now to grab the lead by a length and a half, followed by Bruno's Cat, Never Say Goodbye, and Diamond Dane. As they swing for home, the favorite Coterminus by about 2 lengths. Bruno's Cat once again by the rail, and on the outside, Diamond Dane, Never Say Goodbye. At still Coterminus, followed by Bruno's Cat, Silver Champ down on the inside, but still Coterminus, Silver Champ by the rail, and nearing the finish line, Coterminus, Silver Champ, Never Say Goodbye, Bruno's Cat, Diamond Dane, Don Guro.